sacred sign. Leading paths begin to bind. Fate's not written, it arrives in the silence. Whispers carried on the air, stories drifting everywhere. Gentle fingers touch my skin, guided by the voice.